Hey guys, welcome back to my Python programming tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to check your internet speed using a simple Python program. Please drop a like on this video, and if you are not a subscriber of this channel, then please be sure to subscribe to this channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this tutorial, I am using a small library called Speed Test. It is a command line interface for testing internet bandwidth using speedtest.net, a web service that is owned by Ookla. For using the library, you need to install it. For installing it, open command prompt and type in pip install speedtest-cli, then hit enter. Once you've installed the library, you are good to follow along. Open your IDE. First, we'll import the library. At the very beginning of our program, type import speed test. Now, we will declare a variable that will initialize the library. I am naming it as test. Now, we will declare two variables that will hold the download and upload speeds. I am naming it as down speed and up speed, respectively. This command checks the download speed, while this checks for upload speed. Time to print our results. Here, I am using the f-string literal method. The using of f at beginning of our statement and usage of open and closed curly braces represents this method. We can put a previously declared variable between the curly braces. Like this. I am using the \n, which is an escape character in Python. It does the work of breaking the line. Now, we'll save the program and run it. Wait for a minute, then it will show the results. As you can see, it shows a very large number. It is because the speed is in bit per second. But most of you prefer it in megabits per second. So, we will need to convert it into megabits per second. To convert Kbps to Mbps, we divide value by 1000. Therefore, to convert Bps into Mbps, we divide the value by 10 raised to 6. Simple maths. I will add the units of speed, in front of values, in the print statement, since I like to stay standardized. There's a problem more. The decimal places of the speeds are too long. We need to make them short. I will add point to f in front of our variables, inside curly braces. What it will actually do is, it will round up digits, up to 2 decimal places. Perfect. Now I will show you accuracy of our program. I will compare the results of our program with that of Google. As you can see, the results are pretty accurate. The slight differences can be due to the latency. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please take a moment to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more such awesome stuff. So guys, I will meet you in the next tutorial.